We're looking at our keyboard here and we're going to go over simple copy and paste commands as shortcuts. So the first thing we have is control cut. So we hold on the control button, and for persons who are not familiar with your keyboard, control is not spelled out. It's the CTRL key here. So the first one that we're going with is control C, which means to copy. Right, so you hold down control, hold it down, and you press C and it copies. Then we have the cut command, control cut, which is control X. Now we have the paste command. I always thought that would be control P, but strange enough it's V. I don't know why. So we have control V, right? So all the time what you're doing is holding down the control button, you don't let it go, and you press whichever letter belongs to whichever command. Then we have undo, which is control Z. And for that you think that they would put control U, right? I don't know, Microsoft Word at times, the Microsoft Office software sometimes is like English. It could be so confusing and unpredictable. Then we have control Y, which would be undo repeat. Let's get into the tutorial. Microsoft Word has several ways in which you could copy and paste content, and doing this you would select the content that you would like to copy and paste. Now if you don't know how to select or what selecting is, I'll link a video right now so that you could watch that video on how you select. But basically selecting is when you block the entire or highlight the entire part of which you would like to copy or paste. Now there are several ways in Microsoft Word where you could copy and paste. One way is by using the paste option in the ribbon of Microsoft Word. Of course, recently I showed you that you could use the keyboard shortcuts to do that, or you could right click anywhere on the document screen and you see where there is a copy and paste and even cut option. Or you could use the click commands on the shortcut menu, and this would be the shortcut menu right here. Now after copying a selection, and let's just say we're copying a selection right now, we could right click, copy, or use the copy in the ribbon to copy, or we could copy from our keyboard shortcut menu. Now for pasting, you take the selection off and you go wherever you need to go. I pressed the enter key on the keyboard and I went 2 lines down. Now I could either paste from the paste option in the ribbon, or I could paste from the clipboard on the ribbon. And for those of you who don't know what a clipboard is basically, let's say physically speaking, it's just like you have a clipboard and then you get all these different paperwork and you paste it onto the clipboard. This is how Microsoft Word and many other programs work. They do have clipboards where everything you copy is stored into the clipboard, and I just selected my clipboard option here. In the ribbon section of the paste menu section on the ribbon, you'll see this half of a box with an arrow pointing down. You just click that and your clipboard comes up. It shows you all the stuff that you have been copying. Let's close that, and then we'll right click and click paste, and now you have the paste options. Now pasting can be pasted in several ways or formats. You could paste with the format that you copied from another website. Let's go here to visitpa.com where I got this information from. So I'm going to right click, I'm going to copy, I'm going to go back to Microsoft Word. Let's delete that. Let's press enter to go down an extra line. I'll right click and it gives you paste options. So the first paste option is keep source formatting. Now I didn't actually click this, I just hover over
the icon with the mouse, and it gives you basically a preview. So when you move it away, it disappears because you haven't actually selected it yet. So let's select it. See, it stays there. Let's undo what we just did and go back into right clicking and going into our paste options. When we click the second one, which is merge formatting, what it basically does, and let's click it here, is it makes a replica of whatever formatting of the text that was there prior, right? And let's undo that and let's go back there. Or there is keep text only. Keep text only basically gives you the basic regular text that is set as default in your program upon opening it. Now you can move and copy text by dragging it within the same document. So let's say we have the word history. We just select it. Now we want to copy it and drag, copy, drag, and release, and we have literally moved this word all the way down here. And you can work for the entire paragraph, like you can move this paragraph below the word history, and it goes. Now if you notice, when we move the word history from here, it cut it instead of copying it. So if we want, let's copy, let's cut this, left click, cut, we remove it completely, and then we can use right click, paste options, keep text only, space, we put it back. We're going to select the first sentence here, which says history runs deep through the roots of Gettysburg, and we're going to hold down the control key on our keyboard. The control key usually has the words shortened as CTRL, and we're going to double click and drag and let go wherever we want to let go, and it will make a copy of it instead of cutting it. Now the paste option menu is still here. You could always adjust it as you like. Even before you let the selection go, you could do the same thing. And that's a pretty easy and short, concise video on how you can copy, cut, and paste. If you have any questions at all or any videos that you would like me to produce, feel free on just shooting me a quick comment. Look forward to seeing new videos each and every day. Remember to like, comment, and share. I'll see you in the next one, and don't leave without subscribing or hitting the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that you could get updated or notified when new video is uploaded. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye now.